And well, we've had you on the show a number of times really talking about the oil and gas sector in Mozambique. Now we have the Italian delegation there looking for some more opportunity within the country. This really talks to the type of growth potential we are seeing in the sector and what's really to come in Mozambique.
Well, recently, as we've talked about other times, there's been a lot of discoveries in the gas sector, so particularly from BNI and Anadarko. But BNI being an Italian company, the major from Italy has discovered over 70 trillion cubic feet of gas. And this has prompted this visit from Confindustria, which is really the trade association of business in Italy, to bring a group of 50 small and medium companies to come and take a look at the country and to join BNI in developing the gas sector in Mozambique.
And what kind of investments are you seeing the Italians ploughing within the sector going forward?
Well, you're talking essentially about a group of industries, a group of companies which range from cement factories to service suppliers, parts suppliers. We cannot forget that BNI is a very important company, is a major in the oil and gas sector. And there's an ecosystem of Italian suppliers that come with it, together also with contractors and many others which are essentially vying for the piece of the investment pie, which is estimated to be above $15 billion over the next decade. So you have a group of interested companies which are looking today at Mozambique. And we cannot also forget that Italy and Mozambique have had a long history of cooperation. It's been 20 years since the peace accords have been signed precisely in Rome. And therefore, this reinforces the relationships between the two countries.
And during the sessions, it's been said that a memorandum of understanding will be signed between the Italian Mining Association of the oil and mining industry, as well as the University for Mozambique and engineering in Italy, really speaking to the type of skills development that the Italians are trying to bring into Mozambique.
That's right. Again, there's been an intense cooperation for over 3 decades between Italy and Mozambique in terms of skill transfer and investment in the development of the human resources of the country. And I think that this program, these signatures reinforce that cooperation, because a big part of the whole investment on behalf of the Italian companies has to do with human resources, and that's also what the Mozambican government is looking for. It's an upgrade not only to its infrastructure and its discoveries, but particularly to its workforce.